love with your eyes. I done fell in love, love. I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love with your eyes.
Hola guys, I forgot to do my intro, so I'm back again. What's up you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara Chanel, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on a beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this little swoop bang situation. I love a good swoop, y'all. This is one of my favorite hairstyles on myself. This hair is from Hermosahair. Ooh, Hermosa. Y'all know what Hermosa means? It means beautiful in Spanish. So, beautiful hair. They didn't lie, it was kind of cute. It was kind of cute, but you know I always got something to say about the wigs. I always do. So make sure y'all stick around for the confessional because you know I got something to say. And yeah, let's just get into the video. confessional, y'all. Okay, so first confession, I slept on my hair, which is why it's looking like that. Let's get into the specs. They sent me a 26-inch 13x6 Bodywave unit. I really didn't have problems styling the hair or anything like that. The one thing I wanted to point out, I was bleaching these knots and it kind of pissed me off because I was trying to make a TikTok video while I was filming. You know, simultaneously film both a TikTok and a YouTube video. And I was bleaching the knots and the knots would not lift. Only thing that lifted was the front, the very front knots. And I'm sure it's because they were single knotted, but the knots on this unit is fat as the fuck. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna include this picture. The knots on this unit is fat as hell. And it wasn't lifting, so that's kind of like a flag. Normally when knots don't lift, that means that the company might have coated it in something or the company dyed the hair. And it was giving those vibes. So I was like, okay, I'm about to wash it out and I'm gonna test it some more and let's see what happens. So as I was washing the hair, y'all, you wouldn't believe the amount of dirt that was coming out of this damn hair. So I always be sure to co-wash your hair because you just don't know what be going on in these factories and what the hell they be working with. So I definitely suggest you guys co-wash your hair before you do anything. And I just naturally co-wash my hair anyways because I always bleach the knots. I'm washing out this hair and the hair was dirty as fuck. So when you are testing hair and your water runs dirty and it's not clear, then 9 times out of 10, that means the company bleached the hair. I mean, dyed the hair, or added something on top of the hair and coated the hair. That's what's preventing the knots from being lifted. I will ask them if they put dye on top of it, and then I'll leave their response in the comment section, I guess. But yeah, that kind of raised the eyebrows, so I got a little curious and I wanted to know if this was actual human hair I was dealing with. So I'll be right back. I'm going to burn the shit on camera. Give me 1 second. So I'm just gonna take a snip. Let's see. That's a big snip. Hold on, I kind of need that. So I'm gonna snip it here. And we're gonna find out if it's human hair or not. So when you are testing hair and you're doing the burn test, the indicator that it's human hair, you're actually gonna have to put the fire out and it actually turn into ash. If it's plastic, it's gonna burn like plastic, similar to like a braid or a cankaline. You know how when you burn the end of your hair and it turn out oily and shit, I mean, get all thick and stuff in it, that's what you're gonna be looking for. So let's just go ahead and see. That's human hair, y'all. It's definitely human hair. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and did the bleach test, and as you guys can see, it lifted to like a 27 honey brown color. So there's nothing on the actual hair. There's just something coating the knots that's preventing it from lifting, and you guys will hear me talk about that in the next clip. And it kind of fucked up the process when I was bleaching my knots, which kind of made me mad because these knots are already fat as hell. Like, now they black as fuck and fat as fuck. Now everybody can see that I got a fucking wig. Like, but other than that, it was a cute style. I really do like the style. I do like the jet black swoop bang though. I ain't gonna hold you. But that's all I have for this hair. I will keep you guys updated. You already know I'm gonna keep y'all updated via the comment section, my Instagram, and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys are following me, and that's about it. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you're aware when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Vibes, 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 vibes.